this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So, am I the only person who has literally just piles of stuff laying around everywhere in their craft area? Yep, you've got a glimpse there of under my desk, so truly, truly awful. But I just have these piles of stuff every single place that I look. And obviously I'm trying to get on top of my craft room since getting my wonderful, wonderful drawers. So I really am trying to make an effort and get on top of all of my mess that's everywhere. So I would absolutely love for you to join me in what I have coming up on my channel starting on Monday. That's Monday the 22nd of June will be episode 1 and it's in a series taking basically an entire pile here where my drawers are now placed, and basically I'm just going to work my way through the whole pile and hopefully just make a bunch of interesting stuff. So yep, I'm calling this series my X Piles video and or series, and we're going to take one pile and I will just give you a little sneak peek of what we're going to transform that into. So that one pile is going to become these goodies here. So I hope that you're going to join me. I think it's about 9 episodes in the series, and as I say, it's starting on Monday the 22nd of June, and hopefully it's going to be super fun. It will be uploaded, you know, video as part of the series every day except for obviously on the Tuesday when I do my mass making. So yeah, I would love you guys to join, and yeah, have a fab weekend everybody, and I will see you guys on Monday. Thanks then, bye.